Hello, in this video, you will learn how to create a form in HubSpot. First, you have to make sure that you're logged into your HubSpot account and go to the left menu and click Marketing, which you can find on the left menu, and click Forms. Now, you just have to wait for it to load. And now that you're inside, you have to click this orange button right here, which says Create Form. Click that, and now you can either pick Form Editor or Legacy Form Editor, and then click next once you've chosen. And now you can select from this templates, and now you can select a pre-built template or start from scratch. You can drag and drop the fields that you need, customize them, and set up your follow-up options like a thank you message or email. And once you're done, you will just have to click update or publish. Now your form is ready to use. That's it. Please like and subscribe if this helped.